Who is Exercising Well made for? My program is for anyone who is tired of the struggle with getting enough exercise. It's especially for you if your body has been changed by a medical issue or a stressful time in life, leaving you with less time, less energy, and less motivation to exercise. You know exercise could help, but it's a struggle to make it a habit when your body just does not feel like it used to. Exercise is medicine for most of our physical, mental, and emotional concerns, but it takes a professional to show you how to use it well. As a clinical exercise physiologist and certified Well Coaches health coach, I can give you professional guidance with both exercising and motivating. I just updated the program so that you can do it without coaching sessions. This makes it an affordable way to get the professional support and guidance you need when your body or your life are limited. It meets you right where you are, whether you're already exercising and you just want to enhance what you're doing, or you haven't exercised for a long time or ever. So you never have to feel like you can't keep up, whether you're limited by time or pain or fatigue. This month only, as a way of expressing gratitude for the past 34 years of getting to do this work, I'm offering 10% off your Exercising Well membership. That includes all the coaching levels too. Use the code GRATITUDE to get this special once-a-year rate.